Alright, right now I want to show you, if you are new to Linux and you've watched the first video and the second one, now you want to proceed into the lab section, and you need to install hypervisor, either VMware or virtual machine or VirtualBox. It's time to do that now. So we will try to install the VirtualBox. Here in this video I've downloaded the VirtualBox 7.1.10 version. So this is the URL: https://www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. So that is the official website to download VirtualBox installation file. So you have it downloaded into your downloaded folder, or wherever you have your download go by default. So that's if you are installing for the first time. Then if also you have your virtual machine already, your VirtualBox, and the version of Ubuntu that you have installed is maybe outdated, so what you need to do is you need to install a new one, the latest version. So before we go into that, look up here, you see Windows and you see Mac, and you see also Linux distribution. So choose based on what environment you want to install your VirtualBox on. So that's that. Let's see the sorry about that. Okay, now we are on a VirtualBox that has already been installed with some virtual machines in it. And how do I know what version I run? Click on Help and click on About VirtualBox, and you can see this is Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox 7.0. The latest one that has been released officially is 7.1.10. so what you need to do before you install the latest version is to click on File and Export Appliance. Click on Export Appliance, then you click on Finish. That's how you will back up all your machines. I have done that, so I'm not going to run through that now. So the next thing you do is close your virtual machine and the VirtualBox. If you have any virtual machine open, close it, close the VirtualBox as well. Then you can go and run your installed one second. You downloaded the VirtualBox. Just right click on it and run. I will say right click on it then run as administrator. All right. Let's continue. Let me expand it a little bit more. Okay, so you can see clearly, and you can see now that we have 7.1. Okay, so click next, and you have to accept the agreement. It will, by default, it will be on I do not accept the terms in the license agreement. So you have to change it to I accept. Then next, I will say just leave this, and it will show you where the folder where it will be located. Click next, and it says warning, network interface. Installing the Oracle VirtualBox 7.10 networking features will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network, because it has to create a network for the virtual machine. So that is why you receive this warning. So if you want to proceed with the installation, you say yes. So I say yes. Then missing dependencies: Python core, Windows, installing Oracle. This is Python binding requires Python core packable, package, and Windows 32 API binding. So when continuing the installation of the Oracle VirtualBox 7.1, Python binding now. Those need to be set up manually later. Refer to Oracle. So just proceed with the installation now. You can set up what is needed later. So here you have your choice. Please choose from the options. Create start menu entries. Yes, I will leave it like that. I will leave it as it is. Create shortcuts on the desktop. Create a shortcut in quick launch tab, and then register file association. Yes. Then install. Let's wait and let it do its business. And you can see it says this may take several minutes. If it's taking too long, we'll come back. You have to wait and be patient. So you can see that the installation is going on now. Remember that in my own case, what I am doing is I am upgrading from 7.0 to 7.1.10. So it will definitely remove some stuff and install the latest version. But if you are installing it for the first time, you will have similar process. The only difference is that it might not remove some of the packages because they don't exist. Rather, it will be building the packages, the folders and things like that. All the dependencies that are needed, it will build them. Now it is copying new files. It's done with the old files.